Good day, students. Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. For today's lesson, we have illustration of quadratic equation. I have here different equation, and then I group it into two groups. On the left side, we had x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. 5x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x squared plus 3x is equal to 0. On the right side, we have 5 is equal to x minus 2. X plus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 8x plus 12 is equal to 2. You will notice that there are exponent of 2 on the left side and one exponent on the right side. On the right side, we called it as linear equation. And then on the left side, we called it as quadratic equation. So we'll focus on quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in standard form. So that is degree 2, meaning to say you have 2 as the highest exponent in the given equation. So the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. Note that in standard form, a should be a positive real number. So this is a quadratic equation and it is in a standard form. Again, the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us determine the terms. Ax squared is called the quadratic term, or it also known as the second term. Next, we have bx as the linear term, or we called it as the first term. And then last, we have c, we called it as the constant term. Let's go back again to the examples. For now, let us find out the value of a, b, and c. Given the first equation, we have x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. The value of a is 1. Even though that is x squared, meaning to say the number in a or the value of a is 1. The value of b is 2. And the value of c is 5. Let's move on with the second example. 5x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. The value of a is 5. The value of b is 0. Because there is no x in the given in number 2. The value of c is negative 4. Please do not forget the sign. Next, let's move on with example number 3. 2x squared plus 3x is equal to 0. The value of a is 2. The value of b is 3. And the value of c is 0 because there is no constant in a given equation. Let's have more example. 2x squared plus 9x is equal to 3. This time, it is not in standard form, so we need to transpose it into a standard form by moving 3 on the other side. So since it's positive, when we move it to the other side, it will become negative. So that means it will become 2x squared plus 9x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, let's find out the value of a, b, and c. The value of a is 2. The value of b is 9. And the value of c is negative 3. Let's move on with the next example. X squared is equal to negative 7x. You will notice again that it is not in a standard form. So we need to move negative 7x on the other side by adding 7x on both sides. So it will become x squared plus 7x is equal to 0. Let us now identify the value in the given equation. The value of A is equal to 1. The value of B is equal to 7. And the value of C is equal to 0 because there is no constant in the given. Let's have the last example. X squared as 6x squared is equal to negative 8. Again, we need to form it in a standard form. So it will become 6x squared plus 8 is equal to 0. Let's find out the value of A, B, and C. The value of A is 6 and B is 0 because there is no linear term in the equation. The value of C is positive 8. Remember this, a quadratic equation is one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in standard form. And the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. Note that in standard form, a should be a positive real number. Thank you for listening. God bless.